let me go ahead and tell you guys what happened, okay? I was supposed to get my hair cut by DK Faded. Didn't end up working out. He apparently had some type of family emergency and something like that. So you know what? As you guys can see over there, I got my self-cut system. And we're about to go ahead and we're about to cut my own hair because you know what? I can't walk around looking like this no more. It's too bad. It's too long. I can't wait no more. So you know what? I was just like, you know what? Well, you know, I was supposed to, you know, like make a video using the self-cut system anyway. This is more my first time kind of using the self-cut system, like for a full entire haircut. So we're pretty much just going to go ahead and kind of just see how this goes. People be like, yo, you're a barber, you know, you should be able to cut your own hair. Listen, cutting your own hair is not easy. It is not the easiest thing in the world, like how people think it is. So we basically gonna see how this turns out. If I fail, I mean, hopefully this video goes viral or something like that because I messed myself up. But let's just go ahead and get into it. Going to be cutting this down with a 3.5 mainly because, you know, I kind of want to, you know, keep some of the length on because, I mean, I'm also doing this I'm kind of doing, you know, this challenge with you guys, and I feel like this is the best number to really, you know, kind of keep my progress and, you know, have that depth in my waist so I can win this challenge against you guys. Again, if you guys haven't heard of that challenge, the link to that video will be down in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and check that video out. guys, I told you I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it anymore. I could. Look, I really wanted to wait for, you know, DK Faded to really cut my hair and stuff like that, but I couldn't wait no more. Like, it was just too much hair, and I had it for too long. But you know what? Let me know what y'all think of the cut. Let me know what y'all think of the cut. You know what? Let me know what y'all think. I feel like it came out, you know, pretty decent for a self cut. Again, cutting your own hair, it is not the easiest thing in the world. That's why I don't really prefer to do it myself. But you know what? With the self cut system, it does make it a lot easier to cut your own hair. It makes it just. Like, I used to spend like 2.5 hours, and I think I did that cutting out like a whole 1.5 hours, so it shaved basically off a whole hour off, you know, my cut time, if I did that math right. If you guys like cutting your own hair, if you guys really don't find any good barbers in your area, and you feel like every barber's gonna mess you up, kind of like how I felt, then definitely pick up the SelfCutSystem and learn how to cut your own hair. I mean, SelfCutSystem, they offer a lot of things. They teach people, you know, how to cut hair on their websites and different things like that. You know, some basic cuts that you can do. And of course, you guys can watch my tutorials too, how to cut hair, and I'm pretty sure a whole bunch of other channels have, you know, how to cut hair. But you know what? Let me go ahead and end this video right now. You know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. Because as long as you like the video, if you like the video, go drop a comment down below. Because you guys don't know, you guys comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah.